My name is Han. I'm in group 1. Today I will talk about Korea. Korean or South Korean is a country in the East Asia. Discover the beautiful of Korea. Korea is not just about its modern skyscraper, but also about its rich cultural heritage and stunning natural beauty. It's equal it together. The Korean culture. When you visit Korea, you will feel the warmth of its people, the elegance of its traditional dance, and the deliciousness of its food. From ancient traditional ceremony to modern festivals, Korean welcome you with unforgettable warmth. Most Korean destination. Korean has various must visits places that will amaze you with their beauty and enrich your travel experience. Here are some of them. It's Gyeongbokgung, Jeju Island, Nemi Islands, Busan, Honok. Korean cuisine. Apart from its natural beauty and culture, Korean is also famous for its delicious and unique cuisine. Here are some dishes should try when visit Korea is kimchi, bulgogi, bibimbap, samgyeopsal. Transportation is an important part of advantage in Korea. Here are some transportation options you can use to explore Korean easy is subway, taxis, buses, or motorbike. Accommodation. When you visit Korea, it is important to choose accommodation that suits your needs and preferences. Here are some popular accommodation options in Korea: guest house, hotel, or homestay. Travel tip in Korean before you start your adventure to Korea. Here are some useful tips to help plan your trip well. Whether the money card, book tourist ticket, bedtime to visit. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.